Hey people, so again keeping by that whole system of ever since this lockdown has happened, I've been sending either audio or video messages for friends who I think are very special. So, I met this very sweet girl, yeah, her name is Bindu, and she's a corporate trainer. As of last year this time, like in April, we were all part of this art of living program that where we were conducting like soft skills classes for rural youth. So we were in this place called Vijayawada, and from there we were sent to different places within Andhra Pradesh. Like I got sent to Ongole, some people were in Tirupati, then I think she was in Bindu was in Vijayanagaram, you know. So I mean, it's like we were a group of 31 trainers, but for me, Bindu, this friend really stands out because they say character can be seen in these small aspects of life. So I had just noticed, yeah, that she's Bindu, the person, is among the most empathetic and accommodating people one can meet. And I think if one has these two qualities in life, that's it, you're sorted. Yeah, I mean, um, it'll see you through anything in life. I mean, because that's what it's been less than a month since Bindu lost her mom. She lost her mom to cancer. So I mean, I could go and meet her after the funeral and after, I think, yeah, towards the 10th day ceremony. But by then the lockdown had begun. So it was a bit difficult, right? I mean, stepping out, venturing out, there's police and all. But despite everything, like Bindu was so like understanding, and you know, that's what I had met her last year. But still, when a person is nice, that remains with you, and very generous as a person. And my God, I mean, I wish I could include her photo in this particular video, but and she's like gorgeous. Okay, like I believe I have nice hair. Hers is the longest, prettiest hair I have ever seen. I think it comes up to her hips or something, long hair. So some people just are so beautiful. I mean, like, what I've realized is it's that I think inner beauty reflects onto outer beauty. So truly, Bindu, thank you for being such an amazing person. I mean, I think I was plain lucky to have met you through this Art of Living program. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.